Paul here from the Marco Island News, and today's show comes from Tigertail Beach, and it is absolutely glorious today. But before we get into the weather, please make sure you are hitting that like, share and subscribe button. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Alright, so today's weather, look at that sky, it's blue, it's fantastic, there's not a cloud in the sky, and it's going to be 78 degrees Fahrenheit today. To the rest of the world, that's 25 degrees Celsius. Here's a look at the next 5 days. Monday, partly sunny, 79 degrees. Tuesday, partly sunny, 80 degrees. Wednesday, windy, 80 degrees. Thursday, possible chance of rain, 76 degrees. Friday, partly sunny, 73 degrees. Today's show is sponsored by Jan Harrison, real estate professional with England Volkers, serving the Marco Island and Naples area. If you need to know anything about Jan Harrison, her link is in the description. If you want to sponsor a video, please send me an email. The email address is also in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.